All right, these are going to be the high-rise elevators at the Bank of America Plaza, downtown Tampa. You got it? G. All right. Here we go. This used to be Schindler M series, but modded by Thyssenkrupp. Oh. Wow. Or give us a call and we'll calculate your savings for you. We'll get fast and over 99.9% network reliability. $49.99 for 200 megabits per second internet and $19.99 for business phone. Call 877-899-5222 today. 41st floor. All right, let's get off here and we'll get the M series while we're here. Oh, here it is. Yep. Same cabs as the other elevators, but look, this one's original.
Yeah.
You want to push it?
Sure. I mean, we didn't see them series in a while. Nice.
Yep. Listen. Dark up here. Wonder why. We'll give it another ride.
Yeah.
Let's look at the cab. Like I said, it's the exact same as the other elevators, but more worn out and with older carpeting. Here are your buttons. All right, let's go back up. I love these buttons. There's the bell nice and lit. Here we are on 41. Button goes out. And we'll take the main elevators back down.
Yep.
And you can tell where the key switches are. There used to be lanterns there. Alright, let's watch that one go. If it ever does.
Security access required. Press button when you hear desired floor.
There it goes.
To cancel. L. Going to the lobby. Please proceed to
Elevator
elevator
H.
H. First elevator. To your left. Front.
Look at that.
Security access required.
Here it is.
Going to lobby.
Here it is. All right. I got the door.
Nice elevator cabs.
Here we go.
Giddy up.
When we're stopping.
38th floor.
Heading down.
Going to lobby.
gonna fool around and they want to talk
You
to me right
didn't.
now.
You didn't.
Because I knew that I had to come up with a permanent solution.
Where he's like gonna go through like all the controls.
restorative dental procedure that has given thousands of people a smile like that.
I was thrilled. I had a new set of music. They were absolutely amazing. So my husband, we're gonna go out and I'm gonna have my blending.
Here we are in the lobby.
Thanks to music now, I have 100% confidence
Power stop.
in talking to people and meeting new people.
We'll get off here.
You see her more confident, she smiles. I'm thrilled with that.
And there it goes. That'll be it.
Yep.